In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set stop loss and take profit on Kraken Pro new method. On Kraken Pro, setting a stop loss and take profit is about creating advanced orders that automatically close your trade when the market hits your chosen price points. This lets you manage risk and secure profits without having to monitor the market all the time. The new method makes it smoother because you can now set both conditions directly in the order form instead of creating multiple separate trades. When you open the Kraken Pro app and choose your trading pair, tap on the order form. You'll see different order types such as market, limit, stop loss, and take profit. If you want to set a stop loss, you can select the stop loss order type, enter your trigger price, and specify the amount you want to sell. The stop loss will activate only when the market reaches that trigger, helping you cut losses automatically. For take profit, it works in the opposite direction. Select take profit as your order type, set your target price where you'd like to lock in gains, and confirm the order. When the market touches that price, Kraken will automatically execute the sell order for you. The new feature many traders like is the conditional close option, which allows you to set both stop loss and take profit at the same time while placing your main order. For example, if you go long on Bitcoin at $60,000, you can immediately attach a stop loss at $58,000 and a take profit at $65,000 in one setup. This way, whichever condition is hit first will close your trade automatically, protecting your downside while securing potential upside. You can always adjust or cancel these orders in your Open Orders tab if the market changes. It's important to note that your stop and take profit are linked to available liquidity. So if the market moves very quickly, the execution might differ slightly from your exact price, especially during high volatility. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.